Your daughter's first period is a big moment for both of you. It's more than biology, it's a sign she's growing, and a chance for you to guide her with confidence and love. Most girls start their period between ages 10 and 16. The average is around 12, but everybody is different. Being prepared is more important than the exact age. You'll notice signs coming weeks or months before: breast budding, pubic hair, growth spurts, and clear vaginal discharge. These are all normal signals that puberty is progressing. Her period happens when the uterine lining sheds, usually over 3 to 7 days. That lining is about a few tablespoons of tissue and blood, just biology doing its job. Her first period is often light, just spotting. It may come and go over a couple of days. That's perfectly normal. Her body needs time to find its rhythm. It helps to start talking early, around age 8 or 9. Have small, repeated conversations so she knows she can ask questions as things change. Let her know this is not a secret or a shameful event. It's private, yes, but healthy. Normalize it by treating it like any other natural life change. Create a period kit: pads, clean underwear, a small towel or wipes, and pain relief. Keep extra supplies at home, in her backpack or satchel. Show her how to use pads. If she's curious, you can introduce tampons or cups, but there's no rush. Let her learn at her own pace. Go shopping together. Let her pick the products she feels comfortable with. It's empowering and gives her a sense of ownership. Periods often come with cramps, headaches, or fatigue. Warmth, rest, hydration, and if needed, pain relief like ibuprofen can help ease symptoms. Mood swings, tears, or irritability are common. Reassure her this is normal. Let her know you're there to listen. No judgment, no drama. Accidents may happen. Teach her how to handle leaks at school. Tie a sweater around her waist, go to the nurse, or change clothes quietly. Encourage her to track her cycle using a simple journal or app. In the first year, cycles range between 21 and 45 days. That's still normal for most girls. Let brothers, dads, and caregivers know how to respond kindly, with normalcy and no shame. A supportive family environment matters. Answer her questions honestly. If you don't know, say so, and learn together. Being her safe space builds trust that lasts long after puberty. Let her know menstruation is a sign of health and potential fertility, but not a disease. It's her body doing exactly what it's meant to do. See a doctor if her periods are extremely painful, very heavy, last more than 7 days, or haven't started by age 16. Medical support is there, and important. Consider marking the moment, maybe a small treat, a note, or walk together. Celebrate the beginning of this new chapter. Your openness can shape her body confidence for life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more women's and family well-being tips. Share in the comments how you prepared, or what surprised you.